Now, Lessons in Civil Litigation, sponsored by Khashayar Law Group.
It's been almost 6 months since the COVID pandemic started shutdowns all over the country, and ever since then, our courtrooms have been trying to proceed with important cases. Thank you so much for being with us today. I'm Adam Shear, and joining me is Daryoosh Khashayar of the Khashayar Law Group. Thanks for taking some time to be with us today, Daryoosh.
Thank you so much for having me, Adam.
You know, I do think there's a lot of people right now who don't really know what's going on in our United States court systems. How have lawyers like yourself been able to continue business as usual, I guess, to some extent?
Yeah, unfortunately, it's not business as usual because of the COVID crisis, what we're going through. As a trial attorney who goes to trial all the time and goes in front of a jury, the juries are all closed. The courts are closed for jury trials, and all the cases are pushed out at least 6 months, maybe a year. We have hundreds of cases from San Diego all the way up to the Bay Area that have been on hold, and we're waiting on the courts to open so we can get in front of a jury for our clients.
Yeah, the good thing is, I guess, at least the clients are still getting some of that legal attention that they would need. But what are some of the other major differences, too, that, what the experience looks like now compared to what it was pre-COVID?
Right. Well, pre-COVID, as I said, we would definitely have a much more free flow of cases coming in and going in front of a jury. Now, it's much more important to have an attorney that has the experience to go in front of a jury, because now that we have to wait a year or so to get in front of a jury, you have to file certain things in a certain manner to preserve some rights for your clients in order to get full value. So that's what it makes the difference between experienced trial lawyers that you need to have for your clients.
And I'm sure, a lot of lawyers like yourself have gotten a little bit used to how things are now, but I'd imagine you're also ready to get back into a real courtroom.
Yeah, and as a trial attorney, that's where my passion is, to be in front of a jury and fight for my clients. And not being able to do that for at least another year or so, it sounds like it is kind of frustrating. But once again, in order to set the cases up, now we're focusing all our time and effort on setting the cases up in order to get the full value when the courts do open.
All right. Well, thank you, Daryoosh. If you'd like to learn more, visit the Khashayar Law Group at mystlawyers.com or give them a call at 858-509-1550.